Pasadena can you find a luxury condo that offers elegance, beauty, convenience, and even views of the 4th of July fireworks at the Rose Bowl? Hi, it's Eva Lin, broker owner at Lin Realty Group, and I'm here at my latest listing in Pasadena's finest condominium complex, the Jameson Place. This condo has it all. It's on the top level, corner unit. It's got panoramic view of the San Gabriel Mountains and the treetops, 4-car garage. You can't imagine anything else you would need in this single level condo. I'm so excited to give you a tour, and follow me and we'll check it out together. Welcome to 112 South Orange Grove Boulevard, Unit 308. So where we are right now is incredible because this is a top level condo. So it really looks a lot more like a single family home than a condo. As soon as we walk in, you see there are windows everywhere with treetop view of Pasadena, and you can see the San Gabriel Mountains all over here. So it's almost like a getaway every day that you're home. So this is my all-time favorite kitchen. Look at the granite countertop here. It's just so beautiful. And you have top-of-line appliances from Sub-Zero, Wolf, and you have the warmer for the dishes. And while you're preparing for your dinner, lunch, or breakfast, you really get to just take in all the view from all angles. The mountains, the treetop, the hummingbirds, and it's so quiet here. It's just like, this is your own little getaway in the middle of Pasadena. Isn't that cool? And there's a balcony just right off of the kitchen area, so it really gives you that indoor-outdoor flow to give you more of a sense that this is like a single-family home, not just a compacted condominium. And as we walk into this living room, now this is really cool because when the owners bought it from the builder about 3 years ago, they actually had the ceiling heightened even more, which is amazing. When you're on the top floor and you have a soaring ceiling, which makes the whole space even more grand. And especially when you have this majestic view of the San Gabriel Mountain. In the winter time, the mountains are covered with snow, so it's almost like you're in a cabin away somewhere when you're in the middle of Pasadena. So let's keep exploring. As you can see, we have this built-in wine bar here with a wine cooler, which is awesome whenever you're looking to entertain guests, and I think that's always a plus. And off of the entry foyer area, something that we missed earlier is the den with built-in bookshelves. And this makes a really great home office for anyone who's looking to work from home. And it could potentially be a guest bedroom if you ever want to convert it into one as well. So the floor plan of the condo is just incredible because you've got the open floor plan in the entertainment area, and then you have the bedroom quarter kind of like tucked away in a different section so the guests won't be coming over here. Now, off of the hallway, you've got a beautiful, nicely sized guest powder room, and then at the end of the corridor is the master bedroom, and you're definitely in for a treat because this is like a 4-season hotel suite that you're entering. As soon as we walk into the bedroom, look at the view. Look at how incredibly gorgeous this room is. With the treetop view, you can see the San Gabriel Mountain all around, and there are windows everywhere, and there's just a balcony off of the bedroom area. And when you're walking into this balcony, again, it's almost like you're in a park with this gorgeous treetop view, and it's so quiet that you can enjoy your morning coffee here or enjoy your evening wine before going to bed. Now, I'm really excited to show you the master bathroom because this is the bathroom that everyone dreams of. It's like off of the magazine cover. It's got the granite countertop and dual sink, vanity sink. It's like you're living in a hotel suite every day with the soaking tub, a separate shower, and the walk-in closet is also so much space for daily living. And while you're here, you know, taking a bath to unwind at the end of the day, again, you get to enjoy this incredible treetop view just off of the windows. And it's so private and quiet that you would never ever get any disturbance from anyone. And in this bedroom corridor, there's a second bedroom ensuite. And as you enter this bedroom, again, the room is filled with light because of the oversized windows. And there's a spacious bathroom located conveniently within the bedroom suite. So that was 112 South Orange Grove, Unit 308. It's such a rare find luxury condo in Pasadena. What I didn't even get to mention earlier is this elevator actually takes you straight down to your 4-car garage. And when you come home, you'll be able to come straight from the elevator to your front door. And with the corner unit on the top level, that means it's almost like you don't have any neighbors. So you get to really enjoy the ultimate privacy of your penthouse level. Well, I invite you to come by and take a look at this beautiful home, and you will know why I'm so excited about this place. My number is 626-807-6581, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.